Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Steam game files to repair corruption. This restores missing or broken assets that cause crashes. Once done, update your GPU drivers to the latest stable build because driver mismatches cause stuttering and crashes. Make sure to restart after drivers. Next, disable overlays and background apps that inject hooks into CS2. They interrupt input and networking. These first steps remove the most common external causes, so you can isolate remaining issues quickly. You now focus on settings both in-game and in Windows to stabilize performance. Reset CS2 config or launch with auto-config to eliminate bad binds or commands. This prevents weird input or HUD problems. Then lower graphics, match VRR to your monitor, and cap FPS to reduce stutters from spikes. Also set CPU affinity/priority for CS2 and choose high performance power plan so CPU/GPU don't throttle unexpectedly. These steps, finally, you fix lingering network and installation problems that block matches. Flush DNS and reset WinSock to clear corrupted network state. Test a wired connection because Wi-Fi introduces packet loss. If problems persist, reinstall CS2 after backing up configs and binds so you retain custom settings. Make sure to collect console logs and crash dumps before contacting support because that speeds diagnosis. If you hit one issue again, recheck drivers and overlays first. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.